Welcome back guys to the Pebley Beach YouTube channel. Now we've waited a very long time for Hyundai to give us a new facelifted Kona, and here it is. So this is the new 2021 facelifted Hyundai Kona. Now we have a facelift cycle every 2 to 3 years roughly with the world of Hyundai. Now the first thing you'll notice on this one is the new Cascading Grille. It's got a slightly more aggressive styling to it, and we moved the headlights higher up as well. What we'll do now, we'll have a quick walk around the car, show you some new features about it, and then we'll have a look inside. So the shape of the car hasn't changed. Let's say it's just a facelift, but we have got 3 new colours. This one is the new Cyber Grey. We have a new design to the alloy wheels, and as you come around to the back of the vehicle, we have got a new lighting configuration, LEDs, bright and safe, and a whole new rear bumper section as well. So you join me in the front of the new Kona. So similar in many ways to the previous shape, but of course it had a few updates. A nicer cloth finish, a bigger screen, 10.25 inches, that does have a lot more information available to it as well. We've now got the benefits of certain things as well, called Hyundai Blue Link, Sounds of Nature, worth looking into. In terms of safety devices, again, as time moves on, so does technology. So we've now got things like the smart cruise control with the stop and go facilities, radar braking, that kind of thing. We've got the wireless charging, the heated seats, heated steering wheel on some models as well, and a much clearer, easier to use dash unit as well, with lots of information available to you. There are also some drive modes available to you, which again will have an impact on what you can see on the dashboard. And you've also got reversing camera as a standard. So what do you think of the new Kona? Please do let us know in the comments below. Of course, like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And if you would like any more information, like I say, comment, give us a phone call on Swindon 816 800, or visit the website pebley.co.uk. Speak to you soon.